At Point Avenue, our World Scholars Cup Debate Workshop is happening this June, and I'm really excited.
In this 3 hours workshop, we will understand the World Scholars Cup debate format, learn how to work together as a team to come up with the best ideas you can offer and the best debate speeches.
And you get to apply all of that fun stuff by debating against other participants in the workshop and receive feedback on your content, presentation, and strategy. Hi, my name is Shitab. I'm a debate coach here at Point Avenue, Thailand. I've competed in over 300 competitions all over the world. I became quarter-finalist at World Universities Championship one year, ESL finalist the next. I was also the ESL finalist at Oxford and Cambridge InterVarsity.
Hi, I'm John Ishak, a debate coach here at Point Avenue, Thailand. I've been debating for 10 years, and that experience has led me to become the Malaysian National Champion, Australasian ESL Champion, and Finals Best Speaker. With that experience, I like to share all of my knowledge in debating with you.